Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Here are all the possibilities, if MANA's bulls uphold this level. Since its ath on 25 November, Decentraland, MANA, has been on a steady downtrend, while the bulls kept defending the $2.3 range. Now, a compelling close above the $2.3 base is needed to confirm the strength of its recent falling wedge, white. Should the selling spree continue, MANA would pick itself up from the $2.1 mark support, white, dashed. At press time, MANA traded at $2.3689, down by 4.7% in the last 24 hours. MANA daily chart. After a steep downfall from its lifetime milestone, the alt lost over 70% of its value, and poked its 11-week low on 22 January. Since then, MANA doubled its value before reversing from its long-term trendline resistance. Post which, it dropped below crucial price points. Over the past month, MANA depreciated in a falling wedge on its daily chart. Since its decline phase, the alt has struggled to also go down. Regardless, both land sales and volumes dropped to $916 and $10 million, respectively, last month. The rise again fall again strategy adopted by the market is responsible for such diminishing growth. This pattern has also kept MANA consolidated between $2.41 and $3.51, with the former serving as strong support. Despite fall-throughs and breach attempts, the resistance and support levels have remained firm and unchanged for 3 months now. February. The protocol also has plans to establish a decentralized governance model and increase integration with other blockchains. Is it altcoin season? Wave's recent gains highlight the growing interest in altcoins in recent weeks. Ethereum's rising popularity ahead of its shift to a proof-of-stake model has drawn attention to several other altcoin projects. Tokens such as Terra, Luna, Cardano, ADA, and Solana, Sol, have all posted large gains in the last 2 weeks, while also attracting increased institutional interest. Sentiment towards the crypto market has also greatly improved, with Bitcoin, BTC, recently touching 2022 highs. MACD hovers below the midline with a neutral bias. Second news, Bitcoin pushes higher again with Ukraine war turning into great test case for BTC. Bitcoin, BTC, and the broader crypto market continue to rise strongly today, as more analysts drew a parallel between the current market action and Bitcoin's role as sovereign money in a world heavily impacted by war and sanctions. According to the crypto exchange Bitfinex, the war in Ukraine could prove to be the first great test case for Bitcoin. At 1550 UTC on Tuesday, BTC stood at United States $43,639, up 7% for the day and almost 18% for the week, after yesterday breaking through the United States $40,000 mark in a strong way. The strong bullish action led to a flurry of leveraged short BTC positions being liquidated in the market. According to data from CoinGlass, liquidations reached a peak during the 12-hour period from noon to midnight on Monday, when United States $119 in BTC short positions were liquidated, as the price surged well above the United States $40,000 level. According to the crypto research and investment firm CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw inflows of United States $36 last week, despite the tensions in Ukraine, which turned into a full-scale war on Thursday. Out of this total, United States $17 were added to Bitcoin investment products, marking its 5th consecutive week of inflows, the firm wrote. It's worth noting that the inflows were smaller than a week ago, when United States $109 flowed into digital asset investment products in total, and United States $89 of those went to Bitcoin-backed products. Commenting on Bitcoin's current setup from a technical analysis standpoint, Hong Kong-based crypto financial services firm Babel Finance said in its latest weekly report that the United States $40,000 mark will be a watershed for Bitcoin, and that it could indicate further bullishness in the near term. In the short term, United States $40,000 will become a watershed. That is to say, more traders may be mobilized if the price can return to above United States dollars 40,000, the firm said in its report, which was published just before BTC broke through the key level. Meanwhile, others focused on how the latest gains for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market have come at a time when stocks have seen mixed performance, which they said could point to a decoupling of the two asset classes. We have seen crypto be correlated closely to the US stock market for months, but Bitcoin is showing signs of decoupling from this correlation in the short-term market. Satirio, an analyst, how much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.